I'm going to show you how to make a simple web app using Claude's new artifacts feature. This stuff's insane. All you do is use text prompts and it creates web apps, games, all kinds of crazy things. And PS, stick around to the end and I'll show you how to actually enable it. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a to-do list app. I'm asking it to make something that's unique and differentiated compared to other to-do list apps on the market. You'll see it's thinking. Now it's starting to write it out. And this is the unique piece. You saw that side panel come out, so it's actually coding the web app right now as we see. And this isn't something new. ChatGPT 4 can code and do things like that. There's lots of tools that can do that. But what is unique is that it's actually has this pane to the right, so you can actually interact with it as it builds. So it's got this interesting idea of, okay, well, let's define my energy, and then let's add a task, build a website, right? So maybe that's a task, and that's for my low energy. If I have high energy, let's go to the park. I'm just making these up randomly. I can add that there, and it has them there. You can remove them, so it's like an interactive web app. All right, let's keep building on it, and I've already built these pieces out. I'm going to show you what I went through. So we added another component for mood and energy, so now you can select things across your mood and your energy and add tasks there. And then I went in and added a third factor for time. So now we have mood, energy, and time. All right, and then we decided to come in, let's make the icons red, yellow, blue. It just makes logical sense. And then we came in and said, let's add a search bar. You see it added the search bar down there, but hey, we don't want the search bar right there. We want it above where we add our tasks. Great. Then we went in and added the ability to filter between open, closed, and all tasks. And again, it's like coding this with each prompt as it goes. So it's doing all this work. My next prompt was saying, okay, well, let's pick out the one that I should focus on first. And so it added that here. So let's start adding some tasks. So let's say, if I have high mood, energy, and time, the thing I would be able to do, build a website, right? So maybe it's something like that. Do strategic planning. I really need to be in the right mindset for that. Maybe if I'm on the other end of the spectrum, log my time, do expense report, just stuff I can't even, think about. If I have, high mood, medium energy, medium time, maybe meet with some coworkers. I'm just making this stuff up. Maybe I'm in a good mood. I got some time, a little bit of energy. Maybe I'll go to the park. But what's interesting here, you'll see as I change these different settings based on my mood, my energy, my time, it's telling me, hey, this is what you should do first, right? So it's selecting that based on what's available. Again, I built this just with text prompts, just simple text prompts. It generated all the code here, but it's pretty crazy. It's a simple web app. What's so cool is you can interact with this thing as you're building it. So you don't have to go into ChatGPT, get the code, put it into VS Code or some other tool, start building it there, editing. It's right in the platform itself. So really fun. And if you want to enable this, go up to your settings and go to feature preview. This is where you'll see artifacts. All you got to do is come down here, hit on, and you'll get this feature. Let me know what you want me to build next down in the comments.